We started using FoodMe app on April of 2020, and ever since we've started using FoodMe, we've done over 985,000 in sales, combining both Oakville and Burlington location. And we also have about 7,525 customers we have downloaded our app, meaning that we send them emails, newsletter, push notification every week. Saving, obviously, we've saved a lot because, as we all know, like third-party company, they do take a huge commission. But using FoodMe app, we have saved over 197,000 from both locations. Because we also have a WhatsApp group. So let's say if we have any problem, we just send them a message, and then there's always someone to help them, and we get the solution in like 5 or 10 minutes. So it's really helpful, and then we're happy that they're there for us to help. Oh yeah, it's really smooth, and then we're really pleased that there's always someone to help us, and then we can be more happy